For centuries, along the Gila River in Arizona, Native Americans used irrigation to build a thriving agricultural economy.
The irrigation systems that came off of the Gila River that our ancestors dug by hand provide water for our gardens and farms that we had.
And then white settlers arrived.
When the settlers started coming into this area, they started using the same waters that we were using, and they didn't think about what the effects were going to be downstream.
The effects were famine and starvation.
So many things were lost when our water went away.
Essentially, what you're seeing here is the return of our water. This is a long time coming. We fought for many years to get this water back through our water settlement.
In 2004, the Arizona Water Settlements Act tripled the annual allotment of Colorado River water to the Gila River Indian community. And now a major irrigation project will enable expansion of agriculture, putting these dry lands back into production, returning water flows to the dry Gila River, and storing underground water for future needs.
We were once the breadbasket of this area. We were self-sufficient, we were strong. This is the first step in healing our people. This is an opportunity to regain what was lost.
From This American Land, Gary Stryker for NBC News.